Taduran, he did defeat itong si Ginichiro Shigioka rather, of Japan just last May in his first title defense. So second title defense na ito. But he's up against an undefeated and very hungry fighter. Itong si Chris Balunan.
Alam mo, partner, ang IBF minimum weight title since the 80s pa yan, Pero we've had around, I think, 4 or 5 champions from Eric Chavez, Manny Melchor, Florante Condes, at ito nga, sina Pedro Taduran, Rene Mark Cuarto.
Yes.
Mapapabilang kaya dyan si Christian Balunan?
Well, Balunan, with a record of 12 wins. Sabi kanina 14. It's actually 12 wins with 7 KOs.
Mataas din, Mataas ang kanyang knockout percentage.
He does have the 2-inch height advantage and the half-inch reach advantage. Talking about the fighter from Bohol. So sukatan dito, of course, this is the 12th-round championship bout. And a lot of experience, sinasabi nga natin dito kay Pedro Taduran. Although his record is only 18 wins, 4 losses, 1 draw. Pero to defend your title twice before, na-defend niya twice, tapos natalo siya. Nakuha niya ulit, and he defended again. He has all of the ingredients para makuha ulit yung kanyang kampeonato.
Yes, and yung kanyang huling title defense behind enemy lines sa Japan. Alam mo, kung titignan natin dito, partner, parang hindi lang 2 inches ang height advantage.
Huwag mo nang bilangin yung buhok. Binibilang mo yata yung buhok eh.
Pwede rin.
Body shot there being fired by Balunan, who seems to have the advantage early here in this round.
Hindi, maski sa reach, Parang makita mo, parang mahaba
half-inch lang daw eh.
Pero dito parang mahaba-haba yung Balunan.
Yeah, this is a orthodox versus southpaw matchup. Of course, Taduran being the southpaw. Pero ito naman si Taduran is from Libon Albay. So, sukatan pa nangyayari dito sa dalawang ito. Yung ngiti ni Balunan parang nakakaloko
Pero alam mo sa nangyayari ngayon, kahit pa paano siguro makakuha ng advantage dito si Christian Balunan because si Taduran yung pumapasok. He's turning out to be the more aggressive fighter. Pero si Balunan dumidistansya. And yun, nakita natin, nakatama na maganda ron si Christian Balunan. Parang walang balak magpuyat si Pedro Taduran dito.
Well, Taduran can actually string it together. 13 KOs in his 18 wins. Although he's giving up a height and reach advantage.
But so far, Balunan is slightly ahead para sa akin. And I'd like to give that round kay Christian Balunan.
So Balunan is going to be given that round. Again, Taduran is only 28 years old. So probably at the peak of his career already. Ito si Kid General. Approaching the peak in his career.
Napansin mo, Noel, yung mga Filipino fighters. Bakit yung mga 28, 29, parang medyo biglang bumabagsak. And then 32, 33, 34.
Biglang bumabawi.
Oo,
Well, tandaan nga natin, we are telling you that story na ito si Taduran did lose his title. Then got it back kontra nga dito kay Shigioka just last July. And, well, actually defended his title just last July. He did get it back against Samuel Silva. And then lost it. And then gained it back. So, iba yung animal na gano'n, may title ka na, na-defend mo, natalo ka.
Oo.
Tapos nakuha mo ulit, na-defend mo na naman.
Usually yun, mahirapan ka nang makakuha ulit.
Yung mga iba dyan, nakit na nga tayo ng division, nawala na sa atin yan At may bell. Referee's not looking at that time. The bell went off. Right now, Balunan has been the busier fighter dito, Dennis. Body body shot straight into the face again. And this time, Taduran tries to tee off, pero ganda ng bawi dito ni Balunan. Oh, Balunan gets hit in the face. Taduran keeps pressing forward.
Yes, parang walang honeymoon period dito kay Taduran. Gusto niya tapusin agad, ano?
Quite capable. Napapatras na niya ngayon. Ito si Christian Balunan. Balunan napasandal sa ropes that time. He trying to avoid the punches. And Taduran, half of those punches came in.
I think medyo naging too confident and too cocky si Christian Balunan because he felt he did well sa first round and nakita ko parang hindi niya tinake advantage kung sakali man, ano, yung nakuha niyang bentahin ng first round.
Fighters tied up at the moment. No separation coming from referee Alfie Hocosol.
Medyo ngumingiti-ngiti pa rin si Balunan pero si Taduran.
Well, he knows what it takes to defend his title. Once again, Taduran trying to pin his opponent against the ropes. Less than a minute remaining in the second. Well, Taduran, umakit na yung activity level niya rito sa second round, ha?
Oo, and mas may dating na yung mga suntok niya ngayon.
Trying to pin Balunan into the corner and firing, but once again, the accuracy not 100%. Balunan tries to fight back.
Pero kita mo, very focused si Pedro Taduran.
Good counter coming kay Balunan. Final seconds of the second. Makatakas na naman si Balunan. That's gonna end the second round. But you are right, Pedro Taduran has picked up the pieces after perhaps losing the first round.
Yes.
And the second round goes to him.
Now, I thought that he did better sa second round, no? Pedro Taduran.
Well, salamat sa Limitless, Fairtex, Be Athletic, UKC, MP Promotions, Knuckleheads, Viva, and Elorde TV. Kaya nga, biglang dumami ang suntok. Kung matipid itong si Taduran, no first round, biglang binawi niya na second round. You can see there, everybody involved in this and everybody invested in this.
Yan, doon nakita natin mga kaibigan natin. Sina Kukoy Elorde, Marty Elorde. All out para dito sa kanilang kampiyon na si Pedro Taduran.
And of course, this is just a precursor. Dennis, alam naman natin sa darating naman na Miyerkules. Yan ay malaki. Third round. So far, we have it as a tied bout. Yan daming head movement na binibigay rito nitong si Taduran, making him a hard target to hit.
Kikita mo yung experience dito ni Pedro Taduran, no? Kahit na medyo nakalamang sa kanya yung kalaban ng first round, hindi nagbago yung kanyang demeanor. His demeanor just the same, ano?
Balunan, natatamaan na. And Taduran continues to move forward. Smacks him with the right hand. Another shot to the body galing dito kay Pedro Taduran. Talagang dinadala niya sa corner itong si Christian Balunan. And now he's trying to tee off. Shot to the face with the left hand.
Firing on all cylinders si Pedro Taduran. Meron sa mukha, meron sa katawan, meron sa tagiliran. Pero itsura niya, iisa lang.
Oo. Walang ngiti, walang ngiwi. Here comes that counter punch once again. Nagiging mailap lang itong si Balunan. Naramdaman ni Balunan yung body shot na yun, ha?
Oo, solid yun.
Balunan smiling. That usually means you got hurt. Another shot to the body.
Low blow.
Quick apology.
Makikita mo yung kakulangan sa experience ni Christian Balunan.
But again, he is an undefeated fighter. Ito pong challenger sa Corona na IBF World Minimum Weight title dito si Pedro Taduran. Yan na, nagiging hindi na siya natatamaan.
Yeah. Alam mo, may talent eh. No? May talent ito si Christian Balunan. It's just that medyo kaharap na ngayon, ano eh. Veteran na two-time world champion.
Correct. Was going for his third title defense, or second title defense, on his new reign.
Kasi alam mo, yung mga boxer lang, yung mga champion, mga veterano, you don't show them that kind of facial expression na ngingiti-ngitian mo.
Eh, wala namang response na nagagaling sa ngiti niya.
Yes.
Third round about to come to a close.
May skill, no? Di lang natin alam kung may power ba si Christian Balunan.
Well, Balunan has 7 KOs in his 12 victories as a professional fighter. And that round might have gone the way of the champ.
Yes,
si Pedro
I agree.
Taduran.
Yeah, Pedro. Very consistent, very focused. Yung kanyang chief trainer, kaibigan din natin, Carl Peñalosa.
Big names in Philippine boxing yan, no? Peñalosa, Elorde.
Nagsama, no?
Oo. Nakita mo kanina, Villamor, isa pa yan.
Yeah, si Ala Villamor.
Kita natin yung body shot dito na binitiwan niya eh. Ito yung naramdaman eh, boom! Tapos napatras siya ron.
Oo.
Get going for that title defense. It's a question of, may mga times na title defense ka, nakakalima ka na eh. Parang wala nang kalaban sa division mo.
Yeah.
Then you decide to jump up, di ba, to junior flyweight.
Or pwede ring unification.
Pwede
Which
rin.
I think, as mentioned by Sean Gibbons kanina, parang yun ang target nila. If ever manalo si Pedro Taduran dito, they want to seek a unification with one of the fellow champions sa division. Particularly si Oscar Collazo.
Ano ba yun, WBO?
Yun ang alam ko, WBO.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, more movement now from Balunan. Hindi na siya nagpapaipit sa ropes. Still stalking though itong si Pedro Taduran. Trying to turn the tables that time ito si Balunan. Taduran is still in his face. Balunan trying to be more aggressive sa kanyang counters dito sa third round or sa fourth round. Shot to the body once again. Yan yung mga unti-unting na napapatupi niya. Yung kalaban eh. Remember the way Rocky Marciano used to punch his opponent's arms. In this case, body shots naman ang binibigay. And Taduran wants to exchange at the ropes.
Alam mo, crucial dito yung conditioning ni Christian Balunan, partner, ha? Kasi siya yung magalaw, umatras.
Nice counter left. Galing kay Balunan.
Pero ang problema, madalang yung mga dating ng suntok ni Christian Balunan. Whereas si Pedro Taduran, very consistent.
Saka sugod na sugod eh.
Parating may patama si Pedro Taduran.
That negates what little reach advantage Christian Balunan had to begin with. Well, if anything, nakuha ni Balunan yung timing niya. Nakakaiwas.
Yeah, but for how long?
Yon.
Yun ang tanong dun. Kasi minsan yung pag you keep yourself fresh until such time na umaabot pa sa dulo kung sakasakali.
Tapos na po yung conditioning.
Yeah, with the way he's been moving around, parang medyo Oy,
may
cut.
dugo na, may dugo na.
Oo.
Not quite sure that came from a headbutt, but Taduran does not care. Taduran is coming in.
Yes, doon mo makita yung pagiging veterano ni
Oo.
Pedro Taduran.
Bumubuhos na po si Taduran dito. This time natatamaan na si Balunan. I'm not sure if that came from a headbutt. There's blood on the face
Oo.
of Christian Balunan.
Malaki yung cut na yun.
Yan, Southpaw
Malaki.
versus Orthodox eh.
Wala tayong nakitang headbutt.
End of the fourth, another round going the way of the champ. But now the cutman, nitong si Christian Balunan, will be very busy. It's above the eyebrow. That's one of the worst spots to have it, Dennis.
Wala tayong nakitang headbutt. Pero tignan natin dito.
Galing yata dun eh.
Ayun.
Hindi, sa gilid eh. Pero
Ayun. Headbutt niya. Oo.
Accidental headbutt. Seeing it again. Diyan malapat. Boom! Doon, nagkasuwagan. But again, that's part of this, part of the rigors of being a boxer dito, Dennis. Especially Southpaw versus Orthodox. Entering round number 5. So far, we have Taduran winning the last 3 rounds.
Now, ang intriguing dito, partner, walang declared headbutt.
Wala.
Tiyo mapapacheck muna ng ating referee yung cut na yun.
That's why they will begin this
Hindi,
round in neutral corners. Hindi.
Sinagtabi muna. So yun, walang deklarasyon na headbutt. So if this fight gets stopped because of that cut, TKO yan.
TKO, yes. Although we clearly saw the replay of that 4th round, that was a headbutt. And dyan magigising ito si Balunan.
Dapat. Pero kumakapit, partner eh.
Oo.
Iba yung kapit eh. At saka yung kanina, na when that happened, immediately after that, nag-iiba yung galaw ni Balunan.
Oh,
Good
wow.
left.
Left hand lead.
Tsaka
Coming from Taduran, yeah.
Yung focus niya, nandun pa rin. Pedro Taduran.
May bago na rin siya target ngayon. Nakikita niya yung above that right eyebrow. Going to the body once again. Ito si Taduran. Daming angulo ng kanya suntok.
Nagiging accurate na si Pedro Taduran.
And all Balunan can do is try to push him away with that left hand.
I think he's affected by that cut.
Ayan na.
Iba na eh.
Dumugo na naman.
Time out na. Mihingi ni referee. I think check na to. Interesting. Paano tatawag ito, no? Because iniinda na, no? It's very obvious.
No
Balunan,
stoppage. Yeah.
Balunan is very much bothered by that cut.
Ayan na. Talagang tinatarget na ni Taduran yung sugat na yan.
Kasi either way, even if i-declare na headbutt yan, pupunta tayo sa scorecards around this time, ano?
Pasok na.
Sa atin, lamang si Pedro Taduran.
Taduran,
Even though we gave the first round kay Balunan rather.
Pero yun nga, pasok ng scorecards if they do try to stop it at this point.
Nice left from Pedro Taduran. Boxing clinic ang pinapakita
Yes.
rito ni Pedro
Yes.
Taduran. How to keep your composure, focus, and be consistent.
And also how to negate your physical disadvantages.
Na napakalaki, kitang-kita
Oo.
natin. Eh, oh. Kita mo, yung tingin ni Pedro Taduran, nakatungo eh.
Nakita naman natin in our careers, Dennis, smaller fighters still reigning supreme over the taller fighters. Everybody who fought with Mike Tyson will tell you that.
And Manny Pacquiao.
And Manny Pacquiao, tama ka. Yung Antonio Margarito pa lang, tanongin mo sa kanya.
Oo.
Oscar Larios. Also.
Oscar De La Hoya.
Final seconds of the 5th.
Si Balunan ngayon, getting a taste of a world-class opponent.
Well, another round going the way of the champion. Fifth round na bibigay namin, unofficially of course, kay Pedro Taduran. Now the concern on the side sa kampo dito ni Christian Balunan is, can they stop that bleeding? Can they make that wound at least not a factor sa laban na ito? Boom! Yan ang tinatarget talaga. And you feel, Dennis, it's just a matter of time eh. At the rate things are going.
Yeah, at saka yung damage nung cut na yun, ano, makikita natin, not much blood, mas maraming blood the previous round nung nangyari yun. So, Edito Villamor, veteran trainer, he knows how to handle that type of, kita mo, walang masyado, no? But still, the way na yung buka nung cut na yun, pag tinamaan lang yan ng konti.
Or probably another headbutt. Pag nagkaroon na isa pang headbutt in the same area, that could get bloody. Eto na, inspection time. Tatawagin ang ating ring physician. Dr. Hernandez. Okay lang daw. Okay lang. Sige. For now.
Doon mo naman makita yung galing ni Edito Villamor, partner. Kita natin, bukang-buka yung cut na yun. But Edito Villamor, a veteran of countless
na
World Championship fights.
Like over the last 30 years na yata si Edito Villamor dyan. Of course, siya na may hawak ng training ng mga PMI boys sa Bohol. Kaya na naman, nagkauntugan na naman. But now, Pedro Taduran, lumalaban na ngayon ito si Michael Balunan. For the first time, nakita natin bumuka na yung bibig ni Taduran.
Pero nakita mo yung mata ni Pedro Taduran kung saan nakatingin. Dun sa cut.
Right. Another connection to the head from Taduran.
Medyo napapadalas, partner, yung pagbangga ng mga ulo nila, no? Clashing of heads.
Again, what you expect from Orthodox versus Southpaw. Talagang yun lang tinatarget ni Taduran. He's not even going for the jaw. He's just going for that spot above the right eyebrow. And another inspection time. We are getting very close on this one. Okay pa rin daw.
Well, for one, hindi naman kasi madugo no?
Oo. Pero again, nothing personal ito para kay Taduran. I must hit you in that spot.
Yes.
Kung saan ka nasasaktan.
Regardless kung paano nangyari yan. Headbutt or punch, tuloy pa rin ang atake ni Pedro Taduran.
And Taduran is now introducing the uppercut to his combinations. 1-2 na naman. 1-2 lang ng 1-2 ito si Taduran.
Yes.
Body shot this time. Naramdaman din yan ni Balunan. Less than a minute remaining in the 6th round. Blood starting to come out of the head of Christian Balunan.
Medyo dapat tignan na rin ng referee ito. Hindi na sumusuntok si Christian, partner.
Probably one hit. Nahihilo na rin yan.
Wala na
And the corner might also consider. But Balunan fires one and gets away. Bumagal na rin yung activity dito ni Christian Balunan. Patapos na ang ating 6th round. Oh, great shots there. That's 3 in a row coming from Christian Balunan. Some signs of life, but that round will obviously still go to Taduran. And Edito Villamor, not really concerned at this moment about the cut. It's about the game plan na hindi na nasusunod.
Wala na, because very defensive na si Christian Balunan. He's trying to protect yung kanyang cut. And at the same time, I think may epekto sa kanya, no? Physically and psychologically.
Mamaya-maya, mahihilo ka na niyan. Sipin mo, parating sa forehead ang patama na ginagawa rito nito si Pedro Taduran. Papasok na tayo sa 7th round. Now, let's see if he stands up and answers the bell. Not that gentleman, he's ahead. That's the defending champion. Ito si Pedro Taduran. 7th round.
Si
Dam
Kukoy.
Kukoy, yeah.
Lorde.
Glad to have you with us. Our continuing coverage of this championship bout. Title defense of Pedro Taduran for the IBF World Minimum Weight title. Kalaban niya from Bohol. Itong si Christian Balunan.
Oh, nakakalimutan po yung mouthpiece.
Yun na nga eh. Natawa si Charlie Suarez doon nung nakita niya. Maganda ang pagtatapos ni Balunan nung ating 6th round.
Yes, but I don't think enough yun.
No,
para ma-steal
definitely
yun,
not. Pero at least a step in the right direction. Nadulas.
Pero kita mo, partner, hindi sa kaibigan ko si dito, pero he's doing a great job, no, in trying to keep that cut na medyo nasasara pa kahit papaano.
Oh, ang problema dyan, nasasara nga yung cut, pero yung sakit niyan,
Oo.
hindi nawawala. Especially after that left hand connected to the head from Taduran.
Yun na naman, another left from Taduran.
Mabawi dito si Balunan, but again, Taduran able to send a statement. And that cut has reopened again. Opening to the body this time para kay Pedro Taduran, and a shot to the face.
Alam mo, in a lot of ways, bilib na rin ako rito kay Christian Balunan, no? Because,
Di bumabagsak.
nandun pa rin kahit papaano. No?
But is he throwing punches? That's the question. Panaka-naka.
Oo.
Paatras na paatras itong si Balunan.
You know, if not for that cut, baka maganda-ganda itong laban na ito
Yun
kung
na
sakali.
Pero ang problema, binobodega na rin. Dito si Taduran, ngayon aakit na naman siya. So lahat na ng uri ng patama ginawa niya. But yet, Balunan is still standing. Half a minute to go. Napapakapit na rin ito si Balunan. Final seconds of the 7th round. We have given 6 straight rounds to Pedro Taduran after giving the opening round para dito kay Christian Balunan. And of course, we would like to thank Limitless, Fairtex, Be Athletic, UKC, Epi Promotions, Knuckleheads, FIBA, and Elorde TV. Local time in the Philippines is 8:07 p.m. And this Festival of Fights began at 10 a.m. today. So we are now on our 10th hour dito, Dennis. Pero tayo, mga alauna pa naman tayo nagsimula.
Pero bata pa naman itong si Christian Balunan. If there's one thing na kinabibiliban ko rito, it's yung kanyang tenacity. Medyo hilaw pa pagdating sa kanyang opensa. Defense is pretty decent. Pero ang dami na rin tinanggap from Pedro Taduran.
Yung nga lang will that tell a story later on? Will it take its toll on this youngster from Bohol? Taduran, ganyan pa rin, parang Joe Frazier talaga. Pasok lang ng pasok. To the head once again. Taduran now has opened that wound again and might create a new one.
Tumutukod na itong si Christian Balunan.
Puro depensa na lang ginagawa ni Balunan dito ngayon. And he is now exclusively backpedaling.
Yes. Obviously bothered by that cut.
Hindi lang, at saka dami patama sa ulo. Parang pinuputak din na yung ulo niya na suntok eh. I mean, halos wala ng body attack itong si Taduran.
Headhunting na lang yung ginagawa niya rito.
Parang nakatayo ka pa rin, ha?
Kita mo yung kanyang tolerance sa pain, ano?
Well, that's one thing working the way of Christian Balunan. But that's probably the only thing working for him right now.
Oo. And, sama mo na, conditioning.
Oh, yeah.
With all the movement that he's been doing.
Given yun, because that's ala.
Wala pa tayo nakikitang sign na, na parang hinihingal, tumutukod na. Andun pa rin siya, no?
Nasasaktan lang, and down
Except
he
that-
goes!
Oy, slip
daw ba?
Mukhang may suntok dun.
Mukha nga. But referee Alfie Hocoso rules it as a slip. Where is the knockout punch na hinihintay niyang
Ayun
ibigay
nga.
kanina pa?
I think,
Yan.
alam mo, itong si Christian Balunan, ano? Well, I'm not saying naman na sure win na to for Pedro Taduran, but looking at the future of this kid, konting din pa sa suntok. May maganda yung galaw niya overall. Considering na bothered siya nung cut na yon, for him to survive this long says a lot about this boy from Cebu.
At alam naman natin, nagkaroon din siya ng pagkakataon na makuha ang isang title not too long ago.
Kasi matibay din eh.
Oh,
no?
WBO Asia Pacific Youth Minimum Weight title ang nakuha nitong si Christian
Kasi,
Balunan.
Remember, ito si Pedro Taduran, he scored 13 knockouts in 18 victories. 72% knockout percentage. So may lagkit, may diin yung kanyang mga suntok. And so take a look at our
Charlie Suarez.
future world champion, Charlie Suarez, an Olympian.
Yes. Of course, we will see him back very, very soon. At yan na, dolor la cabeza. Kaya na nararamdaman dito nitong si Christian Balunan. As we enter round number 9. Talagang exclusively headhunting ang ginawa ng 8th round nitong si Pedro Taduran.
Pero makikita mo, no, yung corner yung team ni Christian Balunan. Again, hindi dahil kaibigan natin siya dito, but I have to admire yung work na ginagawa nila sa cut ni Christian Balunan. As we take a look at the slow-mo replay.
I'm still wondering how that became a slip, Dennis.
Eto, tignan mo kung isang side pa siguro. So again, continue ko lang partner. Yun nga, no, how they worked on that cut and how they're able to motivate si Christian Balunan to just keep on going.
Well, Balunan is going.
One thing is for sure, this young man is showing us a lot of heart. Christian Balunan.
Di pa rin tumitigil sa kakasuntok, but now Balunan introducing the uppercut. Round number 9 scheduled for 12. This is for the IBF minimum weight world title, currently held by Pedro Taduran, who's now getting a beating in this 9th round. So itong si Christian Balunan coming to life. Knockout artist din ito, 7 of his 12 wins coming by way of knockout.
But definitely, partner, malayo yung quality.
Ay, pati percentages din.
Yes,
Balik sa bodega, si Taduran. Balik na naman sa pagdurugo ang ulo nitong si Bulanan.
Tibay, partner. Matibay. Lopsided na no? One-sided, but andun pa rin si Christian Balunan.
Refuses to quit.
Yes.
Again, nice angle here to show exactly what kind of damage Pedro Taduran is doing.
Lumalaban pa rin, partner. Kaya lang,
Natatamaan na talaga sa mukha eh.
ayaw naman pumayag ni Pedro Taduran. Tinamaan siya ng isa. Binalikan niya ng 3.
It's only a question of time kung dudugo na rin yung ilong nitong si Christian Balunan.
Matibay, partner. Makunat.
Makunat. Yan tawag lang, iron chin.
Yes. Pero alam mo, siguro around this time, kung gusto pa ng corner niya, probably bigyan pa ng isang round. But, you know, to
Ayan
avoid
Silipin
further
natin daw.
damage, sa tingin ko around this time, dapat yung corner niya na
And I go back to
tumapos
that
dito
fight between
no?
Margarito.
Sayang eh.
Margarito and Pacquiao. By the 12th round, iba na itsura ng Margarito.
Oh.
The corner did not want to stop it. The fighter did not want to stop it.
You know, for me, I think around this time, medyo lost cause na to eh, no? Baka lang mapasama pa rito si Balunan.
Well, he made it to the end of the 9th round. Another round that we will give to the champion, Pedro Taduran. Ngiti pa rin.
Parang ganyan, siguro talaga karakter ng itong batang ito, ano?
Mangiti. Even if he's already 3 rounds, maybe just one more round away. And then the corner has to make a decision. Pero alam mo naman si Edito Villamor, he's seen a lot of fighters toughened by situations like this. And Sean Gibbons patrolling the sidelines as well. Oh, parang bagong ligo lang, oh. Wala nangyari. But inside, Barag. Etong si Christian Balunan. Pero ang ganda ng mga pinakita niyang senyalis doon in the 9th round. He started out really strong. Sa dulo lang talaga. Wala, bumalik na naman yung pagdedepensa niya.
Number one, you know, the determination. Hindi mo masusukat yan eh, no? Unlike yung mga punches, mabibilang mo. No? But yung puso ng isang boksingero, walang nakakasukat yan. Ma-observe mo lang. And ito, without a doubt, with the kind of punishment that he's been getting, talagang nagpapakita ng determination itong si Christian Balunan. And it seems that ngayon, no, parang may second win pa eh.
Parang di naman yata napagod in the first place. Nasaktan lang. Connection from Taduran.
Siguro dito pumapasok na yung part na him being 23 years old. You know, still young.
Manggap ng 1-2 sa mukha itong si Balunan. Hindi naman kasi massively disformed yung mukha or anything like that.
Malaban pa rin, no? Pero talagang I think titignan na naman ng referee ito.
Pag bumuka ulit.
Oo, meron na naman tayo nakikitang blood coming out of that cut. And Pedro Taduran targeting.
Yun na. Almost taking a knee that time. Etong si Christian Balunan.
Alam mo, I think dito, you know, avoid, further damage dito sa batang ito.
Well, that's a corner's decision and almost going down. Etong si Balunan. 1-2 connecting once again, pero good response galing dito kay Balunan.
Mukha yata nag-enjoy yung corner doon sa magandang trabaho nila sa cut. But you have to consider the overall, no, status ng kanyang boxer, no? The welfare.
Nobody was talking boxing to him. Inaayos lang nila yung sugat.
Oh,
solid shot coming from Taduran.
Matibay itong si Balunan. It's just that he's being outfought. he's facing a legitimate veteran world champion whose last title defense happened behind enemy lines in Japan.
Yes.
Veterano na yan.
And not seeking the knockout punch, ito si Tadura. Talagang pambarag lang ng mukha ginagawa niya sa to kasi that round comes to a close.
Nag-iingat din no? Kasi nakikita niya lumalaban yung kaharap niya.
Another round that will go to the champion. 2 rounds to go. I think the goal of that man, Edito Villamor, is to make sure na umabot naman hanggang dulo ang kanyang panglalaro. But with the punishment that he's been taking.
Well, siguro parang gagamitin na lang itong parang reason to tell their fighter na kaya mo naman medyo naagrabyado lang tayo because of that cut. And maganda conditioning ng batang ito.
Yes, yes. Agreed. Hindi man lang hinihingal. But now, Edito Villamor is talking about strategy. Ano, kaya ba? Ayan.
Wala nang strategy, partner More
kailangan mo naman patumbahin.
Egging him on.
Right. Donnie Nietes knows what it's like to be there in this situation.
Just to tell their boxer after this na, ito mo na, despite that cut, magaling ka, matibay ka, kaya mo. So, on to the next fight.
Malay mo, Mami keyword nga itong kalaban. Di ba?
Pero parang si Pedro Tadura parang ready to go 20 rounds.
Correct. Naipit na naman sa corner. And Balunan has to escape. For Tadura, what's it gonna take to make this guy stop? And ang dami na bumubusa rin si Tadura. He's emptying the clip, so to speak. Pero hindi pa rin bumabagsak ang kanyang kalaban.
Very resilient. This Christian Balunan.
Some signs of life from Balunan. Yun lang, just trying to go up and down, trying to be elusive. And that cut has opened up again.
Tina-target pa rin ni Pedro Taduran. That cut.
Again, walang personalan.
Pero kita mo, parang anesthesia tumatakbo sa veins nito
Dugo niya, no?
Oo.
Almost taking a knee that time.
You can't say na walang power yung mga suntok ni Pedro Taduran no? He has proven that time and again na meron siyang punching power.
Sanay din naman sa decision itong si Taduran. So doesn't see the need to put away his opponent. He wants his opponent to quit. Pero mukhang hindi mangyayari yun. Final seconds of the 11th. Round number 11 comes to an end. And look at the bloody mess here, Dennis Principe. Sasabihin niya dito, Villamor, isang round, kaya pa ba? Ayan, counter din
I think yun na lang ang gusto i-achieve dito ni Edito Villamor. To tell his ward na, siguro outbox tayo rito. But
Send the message.
yes.
Once again, salamat sa Limitless, Fairtex, Be Athletic, UKC, MP Promotions, Knuckleheads, Viva, and Elorda TV. Grabe dedication ni Ala. I mean, he's also a friend of mine. I've seen him take care of so many people. Sometimes, nakikita mong hindi talaga ubra, pero it's still the same. Yung buhos niya ng oras, buhos niya ng tiyaga.
It's the 12th and final round.
First time natin nakita ngumiti si Pedro Taduran. Because he knows it's almost over. 12th round.
Alam mo kung merong cut man of the year, no?
Dito Villamor na yan.
Dito, may tulong din actually si Michael Domingo. Nakita natin doon. No? But we saw si Edito work on it early on.
Saka may instructions na rin yata dito kay Taduran. Relax ka na bata. Bigyan mo lang ng job. Okay na to. Hey, well, sabi ni Taduran, baka mamaya mapatumba pa natin.
Mahirap. Tsaka baka masungkit pa tayo.
Oo, baka mamaya kasi usually pag nag-relax ka ganyan, doon ka nadidisgrasya.
Yes, oo.
Pero naalala ko going back to that Margarito fight, Manny Pacquiao was not throwing anything towards the eyes of Antonio Margarito anymore. At tinitignan niya lang yung referee. Don't you wanna stop this? Stop this now.
Siya na naawa.
Oo. Sa baba daw. Oh! Well, at the end of it all, we know Taduran is going to win if this goes to the scorecards, but he will have new respect for his opponent dito, Dennis.
Of course. Yeah. Well, tayo nga, bilib tayo dito sa pinapakita ni Balunan. Ano?
Talagang walang atrasan na gera, diyan mo siya ipapasok.
Yes. Sabi nga natin, yung resiliency, determination, Christian Balunan. If only he can work on yung kanyang skill, ano? Especially dun sa the kind and the type of punches that he can unleash. Kasi meron din naman, ano? May variety yung mga suntok niya. Wala lang masyadong diin.
Yeah, 12 wins, 7 knockouts, undefeated heading into this game, or heading into this match. And Christian Balunan seems poised to be heading to his first ever defeat in his professional career, young professional career. 12 bouts, 13th bout is this one. Final seconds.
Wala lang sa kanya. Yung mga tatama ni Pedro Taduran.
And that will do it. Christian Balunan survives 12 rounds with a world champion. And Miss Kukoy enjoying it. Sean Gibbons saw a quality fight here, Dennis Principe.
I agree.
No quit in Christian Balunan, and gains the respect of not only Pedro Taduran but for the entire boxing world na nanonood dito. Hindi talaga, hindi sumuko eh.
Yes.
Finally, the ring physician gets to work on that cut over Christian Balunan's eye. And this will be title defense number 2 in the new reign nitong si Pedro Taduran, Kid General. It was not easy. He outpointed itong si Christian Balunan in all but one round. But at the end of it all, hindi niya napabagsak yung kanyang kalaban. And we scored this bout 119 to 109. We scored this bout 119 to 109. I'm pretty sure that's what's going to
well,
happen.
The first round, we gave it to Christian Balunan, but that was the most that he was able to do in this particular fight. But credit goes to him. Ibang klaseng resiliency yung pinakita rito ni Pedro Taduran. Grabe yung rather si Christian Balunan, parang siya pa yung mas may ngiti, sa laban na to.
Hindi, pero yun na nga, you get a title shot, maybe it's not yet your time.
Yes.
So, naramdaman niya, okay, na hindi ako mananalo rito, pero what moral victory ang pwede kong makuha rito?
Yes.
Survive 12 rounds against a world champion. So, malaking bagay na rin yung para kay Balunan moving forward. Maybe pa nga sa laki niyang yan, 5'6", 5'7". Maybe his fate might be in another division.
Pwede, siguro sa light flyweight.
Oo. So, pa-picture muna silang lahat doon. Of course, we're gonna get the official judges' decision, which we already know is going to be a unanimous decision for Pedro Taduran. And I see if Mr. Silver Voice has already gotten the piece of paper dito. But what a day, What a day dito. Ano pa lang ito? Countdown pa lang ito, Dennis, The real Thrilla in Manila will happen this coming Wednesday, the 29th.
Yes, of course,
Ladies and gentlemen, after 12 rounds of championship boxing, we will go to the scorecards. But before anything else, ladies and gentlemen, for these two gladiators, a round of applause, please. Judge Hilco scored it 117 to 111. Judges attorney Akil Tamano and Judge Oliver Garcia both had it 118 to 110. For your winner by unanimous decision, and still the IBF minimum weight world champion, the pride of Bicolandia, Pedro K. General Taduran.
So it is official. Pedro Taduran now ups his record to a total of 19 wins with 4 losses and 1 draw. Samantala, it will be the first loss in the professional career para naman dito kay Christian Balunan. 12 wins, 1 loss, but what a loss it was, going toe-to-toe 12 rounds against a world champion.
It's a defeat that there's nothing to be ashamed of. Marami siyang pinatunayan dito.
I think mo yung ngiti niya, parang siya yung nanalo no? Look at dito, Villamor also saying, my boy is going to go places, and he could be right dito.
Parang siya rin yung nanalo sa laban na to.
Kasama siya sa picture.
Yes.
Kasama rin siya sa picture. And again, dito Villamor now congratulating etong si Pedro Taduran, who has defended his new title twice already. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be another title defense and perhaps another title defense. Pero ganong katagal mananatili si Pedro Taduran in this minimum weight division? Does he go for the record of Donnie Hasietes?
I think he's very much at home at the 105. He's been there. He's 28 years old, and ever since wala tayong nakitang problem niya pagdating sa making the weight limit of 105 pounds. So it's safe to say that we have someone na medyo magbabantay ng minimum weight division para sa bansa natin. And that's Pedro Taduran.
So who is in the horizon kaya para sa kanya? You mentioned unification.
Yes, ito nga si Collazo, nabanggitin kanina yan, ni Sean Gibbons. And who knows, baka sabihin ni Collazo, mukhang walang pamatay itong si Pedro Taduran, baka pwede ko nang i-take yung challenge of unification match.
Right.
That's the biggest money fight available for Pedro Taduran actually.
Well, for now, magpapahinga muna siya. Of course, sa kanyang pagkapanalo in his title defense here. And again, we've gone to